Welcome to Test Your Knowledge. Today we're diving into a common concern for dog owners. What home remedies can you give your dog for diarrhea? Think you know the answer? Let's see how much you really know about caring for your furry friend. What is the best first step when your dog has diarrhea? What's the first thing that comes to your mind? Withhold food for 12 to 24 hours. Which bland food is best to feed a dog with diarrhea? Let's see if your guess is correct. Boiled rice and plain chicken. Which type of broth can help keep a dog hydrated? Only true experts will get this right. Bone broth. Which natural ingredient can help firm up a dog's stool? I'm curious, what's your answer? Pumpkin pudding. Which type of yogurt can help restore gut bacteria? Think fast! You only have a few seconds. Plain unsweetened yogurt. What is a good source of fiber to help a dog with diarrhea? Let's see how smart you really are. Canned pumpkin. Which herb is safe and helps soothe a dog's upset stomach? Think twice before you answer. Chamomile. Which electrolyte solution can help keep a dog hydrated? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more helpful tips and quizzes. Pedialyte, unflavored.